Hey everybody, and welcome back to Lady Luck HQ. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a quick walkthrough of the room that we stayed in when we were sailing aboard the Symphony of the Seas, as well as the coastal kitchen and some of the ship. I just wanted to give you a little bit more. I know I've shared a lot of my slot videos from this trip, but I wanted to share with you some of our other experiences so you could see what the ship actually looked like. I hope you guys all really enjoy this. Let's get started.
All right.
Here we go to the owner's suite. Okay, let's show you. So when you walk in, there is this nice table where we can have breakfast and dinners. We have our nice little coffee bar over here, which is beautiful. And there's some lights here. Ta-da! Let's see, are these full closets? Yes! We have some nice closet space. There's a his and her. This is fantastic. I can't wait to hang all my dresses up. Alright. So we have our living area. If we had to entertain, we absolutely have the space to do it. This is fantastic. Oh, and we totally got a little fruit basket.
Nice.
Okay, let's go into the bathroom. Very nice. It's a vanity where we're going to be getting ready. Our bed. So perfect. Let's look at the bathroom and then we'll go to the balcony.
Whatever you want.
So the rooms divide by these little curtains here. Curtain dividers, which is great. This is very spacious for a cruise ship. And then our bathroom. Oh, he did a good day. Yes.
Nice.
So a shower and a bath. You have a good day. Someone will be needing that.
You?
This is awesome. Double sink. And we have a place to put all of our things in here. This is fantastic. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Let's look at the balcony. Oh, Moran.
It's a huge balcony.
Oh, Moran. We have to have champagne out here. Oh my god, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Holy crap, this is huge.
Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful.
It's a huge balcony.
So we have 2 loungers, and then we have a whole dining table. We are going to do a champagne breakfast out here every morning.
Oh, that's strong.
This is magnificent. Wow. Wow.
Good old Miami. Goofball.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
Wow. Is that everything?
This is spectacular. I am impressed. I am thoroughly impressed. This is so beautiful. Wow. Maybe we'll do a live stream here. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed our room tour.
Yes, it did. The butt.
Okay, where do you want to go for dinner? Or lunch. Where do you want to go for lunch?
El Pollo Loco thing.
El Pollo Loco. Okay, I don't think I got an El Pollo Loco.
If El something.
El Pollo Loco.
A Mexican restaurant. I'd love to go there.
I think it's up, like up.
I don't know, yeah. Look at the board.
I don't think it didn't say El Pollo Loco on the board. But we'll probably look at it. Where's the board? I'm pretty sure they El Loco Fresh.
El Loco Fresh,
that's
yes.
what we're talking about. So 15 you gotta go to.
That one's going down.
El Pollo Fresh AFT. See how it says the AFT?
Aft.
Aft. Which means it's on this side, right?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. 15 is already fixed. Sweet. You can do a pause.
Sí, hoy a las
No
9.
pause.
se
No
va a hacer
pausing?
tarde.
We'll just get started. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so great.
Luego, acá.
Oh, so great.
Can swivel badass on it.
Yeah, it is. Wait, what is that line? Oh, that's the.
Go.
Oh, we're already on the thing.
Ah, es que.
But you're with that, right?
Yes.
Oh, let's get a picture of this. Sorry. Let's get the model boat. That's cool. Okay, here, look at it. That's the helipad we're gonna go to tonight.
Yes, we are.
I think it might be a
Right on. You in?
I'm in? No, I'm eating. These are eating. Oh, there it is. This is what we want, right?
Yes.
El Loco Fresh. Oh, it smells so good.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Wow. Okay, cheese quesadilla, chicken quesadilla, chicken burrito, beef burrito. Oh my god. Nachos?
Shit, we should have been eating here every night.
Why haven't we seen this yet?
We got basically a Taco Bell on board.
Chicken tortilla beef? Wow.
All right.
Ooh, the bar. Jeez, this thing is like.
She's excited to go with wine. Smart girl.
Hi. This little camera is so awesome.
Let me get you. Go.
This way.
We gotta go this way. Hi. Good night.
Well, I hope you truly enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button and click that bell. Most of the videos that I post are videos of us playing slots in various casinos across the country. But I just wanted to share something a little bit more personal with you guys. Until next time, take care. Bye!